Target Trading Academy.
Hello everybody, this is Dan O'Brien with Target Trading Academy, and I wanted to go over the trades that our customers that are using Carnac sent me in today. And it looks like by my numbers here we had 7 winners, 2 losers, and 1 break even. And I'm going to start in a group from Curtis. He'll be first up. Alright, this is the first screenshot I got from Kurt, and you can see that this is a live trade in the micro S&Ps, and we have a valid trade here as the market's rallying, machine learning's predicting an upward move, the trending algo is bullish, and the HFT traders are quite bullish. Now, one comment I can make on it is that the optimal entry would definitely be back in this range, a much lower price for a bigger gain, but nevertheless it was still a valid trade, and it was he gave it enough room to get in before the market went up to the resistance area. That was perfect here. Okay, the next screenshot here we have that unfortunately Kurt made a mistake where he accidentally bought in here. On his own, he was not using the trading program, and he circles the actual Carnac trade itself, the automated platform or program, and that was another winner. So 2 winners there. Next up is a small gain, but another winner once again in the micros. And you can see that trade back here. So as he moves forward, everything's getting weaker. The long-term and short-term informed traders are very bearish. The algo here is saying, hey, it's starting to trend down, and he got filled, and unfortunately had a loss here where it was stopped out to make it worse at the top tick, and then it started to go down. So one thing that it's always we got to keep in mind, and this is all of us, myself included, is that there's always an auction process. And what I mean by that is they're going to be back and forth before the market actually makes a run or it makes a big move, and then there's the auction process. So that way the market keeps us on our toes, that's for sure. But this was definitely unfortunate here. Losses are going to happen, and if I could point anything out, the trending algo came back down, reset itself, and came back up into the high volatility trending zone, and another short could have been made here, and Kurt would have got all his money back and then some. But I understand, been there myself, been there, done that, where you get stopped out at the top tick, and I'm sure most of you who are listening today, it's happened to you as well when you're short, and you get frustrated, and you just say, wow, that, you know, is having a good day, and that plus the mistake, you know, it's a small down day. But yeah, there was definitely, this is what we'd be looking for, so it reset itself, and that was the big move. Okay, and actually we're not done with Kurt yet. As a matter of fact, this is an advanced type of trade. Comes from a different type of trading program. We call it the Predator, and it's based on volume and volatility. There was a lot of buying volume there, which is what triggered the entry for a long, and that was a nice big winner for Kurt on a sim contract there. $337 in practice sim money there, and that I think does do it for Kurt's entries for the day. Okay, we have an entry here, a screenshot from Steve, a nice breakdown going along with the Carnac program. Everything, the short-term informed traders are really bearish. The algo at the bottom is picking up the big trend down and the higher volatility. 3 good exits there. Okay, and this is a screenshot from Osbert where we have 4 trades here, or from early in the day. 2 really good trades here, long with the trend up, and I believe this one happened so quickly that he couldn't get out of the last position on time. Excuse me, what I mean is to raise it or even cancel it and let it run a bit so that you can get a little bit extra on it. The market is balancing here. You can see the bottom algo here saying, well, there's a lot of chop. Well, we don't want to trade in that for the most part, especially not trending trades, but it sets up again for a nice trade here. 3 good exits, 2 good winners, and this is in, of course, his practice account in the ES. So 2 winners, 1 loser, and 1 break even here. And ladies and gentlemen, that does it for this video. Short and sweet. So 7 winners, 2 losers, and 1 break even. If you'd like to know more about trading with automated trading with Carnac and following high frequency traders and trending algorithms and what have you, please call the office. Check out our websites and of course our Facebook page, and we'd be happy to help you out. Take care, and as always, trade well. Alright, well, I thought I was done with the record of 7, 2, and 1 for the day, but as it turns out, I have a late entry here from Steve, and so our total for the day would be 8 winners, 2 losers, and 1 break even. And this is another individual or trade that wasn't used before, and in fact this was the extra leg down that I spoke about with Kurt's trades. So Steve didn't get short here. That's when the auction process bounced it back up, and then the big flush came. So he had the entry as it reset itself. Market had a quick drop there for targets of +1, +2, and +3. So that's 6 handles. So $300 there on that trade, on that quick drop, which looks like it took about 30 to 40 seconds for the $300 winner. All right, that's it. 8, 2, and 1.